Hello guys, once again, me welcome here guys in video. Guys, this is me first time come in the Assam river guys. Like this, see big river, me never see this big river like this guys. Me coming first time here in this Assam side. This river never see guys. Guys, please like, share, follow, comments my videos guys, and see so many beautiful shop people sitting, eating, watching river and beautiful river. This river you can fish, no problem guys. No money take. Girls are sitting, playing, eating, men eating, boy eating. So many people eating and playing guys. Beautiful river guys. Big river. So many water and everywhere is blue. Fish also big guys. You can come and catch fish free. No money take here. Guys, you can time pass here to come and watch this river guys. See, so many people is catching fish. Here this place is Rani Road, Guwahati, Rani Road guys. Big river guys here. You can come and catch fish every day, no problem. Guys, see this man selling fish. Very no money. Only little money guys. You can buy it fresh fish guys. See. Okay guys, once again, thank you so much. Thank you guys. Watch video. Thank you.